Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Runway ML AI. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. So first of all, open a browser of your choice and search for Runway in the new tab. Open the first site that pops up at the top and you will see this type of interface. Here you will need to log in with your account. Now if you don't have any account, just create one so that you can continue along. And after logging in and setting up your account, click on the blue button named try Runway for free. Now you will be brought to this Runway homepage where all of the tools are available that you can use. Note that these are paid AI tools, but if you create a new account, you'll get a bunch of credits so that you can use all these tools for free of cost. At the homepage, all of the popular AI tools are present. If you notice, there is a menu at the left side of the screen with some tabs. For simplicity, the website tools are divided into some categories like edit videos, generate videos, and edit audio so that the user knows where they are going. The first one we'll try this is edit videos. Here you can see that if I head over the mouse over tool, there's a floating notice saying that it is only available for paid plans. It is showing there because I used up most of my credits in testing the website. So we'll try the color grade AI tool. As soon as you'll select it, a new page will open up with the AI tool. Here select the video you want to use the AI tool on and select upload it on Runway. After uploading, you can see that there's a prompt bar at the bottom of the video. Simply, you just need to define the custom LUT you want in the bottom bar and AI will apply it for you. Once done writing prompt, click on generate and it will take about a minute to process the video. After processing it, it will load the results. You can also play it and view the results, and you can also toggle back the original file to see the difference. After you are done and satisfied with the results, just click on export to download it. You can download the results up to 720p as a free plan user, and after that click on export to download it. Now we'll try for another one, but this time we'll go for the image section. Let's go for the AI tool name frame interpolation. You can see that a new page has loaded again with the upload files prompt. Simply select minimum 2 images to use this feature. After selecting the uploading, select the clip duration and click on generate. You will see how it works in a couple of seconds. You can again change the clip duration or number of images if you want, and then regenerate the results as per your liking. Once you're satisfied, simply click on export and you're done. Alright, so I'll also show you the results of those AI tools that I've used at the start to show how the results look. Here you can see that there are some projects saved on my account. I'll select one and show you how it works, and this time an editor opens and you can notice that I've used the in-painting feature in this project. Anyway, so that's how you can use Runway ML AI. So that's all for today's video guys. I hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.